aka na-aba ahụkwana na mobiji ahụ na-afụ ebe ọjọọ ka agọ mmụọ aka na-aba ahụkwana otu aka ka o si wee gbu mmadụ ojoro n'ihu akwụkwọ wee napụ onye ahụ 26 million kasị na 25 million wee si anọ ka o wee rụgharịa ọrụ ka ọ chụọ ya ajọ mmụọ chụọ ya ajọ mmadụ. Onye ka ọ na-asịgidere onye ahụ ego ife ọ na-arụrụ onye ahụ agaghị aga. Onye ọ rụrụ ọrụ wee gwa ya na enyechi ya ego nwaanyị a wee na-asị ya na onye chi ya ego ya na ọ ya akụ ya nsị kuchie ya anya kuchie ya ike nke bụ na onye a jezikwa kpọrọ ya ndị uwe ojii wee na-ajụ nwaanyị wee sị na o ji 26 million wee gote ife ọrụ ọ na-arụrụ nwaanyị na ibu nnọọ ka nwere ndị oji ụgwọ na ọ kwụchabedu ndị mmadụ ego ife ogoro kredit eji arụrụ onye nwa n'ọrụ na o nwere anụ nwanụ ọ na-egote isi ya na anụ ahụ na isi ya bụ 1 million something. Kedụzi na anụ nwanụ nwaanyị a na-egote isi anụ kpọrọ nkụ o ji arụ ọrụ nwanụ na ọka ji ndị na-ele mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ ụgwọ na onye sibeghị ofe ego fa a na-ajụ nwaanyị ọsị na o mekatakwuo onye bụ ụgwọ na onye ahụ si nya lụgharị ya ọrụ na ọ ya achụ ego ya ntụsọrọ ya. Amakwanụ m ife anyị akpọ nka ụna asị na onye nwaanyị eri ego a na oji anya ya a na-ekwu nwaanyị na-agbakọ anya ka nka ego mmadụ 20 something million. Gịnị ka a na-arụrụ onye nwa a na-adọturu ya kpakpando n'ọnwa ka a na-adọturu ya ọnwa na anyanwụ ka a na-adọturu ya Jehova n'eluigwe. Nwekwana ihe mmadụ anyị afụkwa na oshi ikekwa na nkụ a na-ezuzukwa n'ụdị dị iche iche a na-eme na-abụ ụka ndị ụka prọfet na Elaịja ndị amụma oburu ochi kafa ji ezu a na-ebe na-abụ dibịa na-abụ eze nwaanyị oburu ochi kafa ji ezu. Geenụ ntị ka unu n'ife ọ kọrọ n'ego na-ego ụmụ ife nwe ji arụ ọrụ.
And the prophet is doing it.
And you don't know the head of animal you collect.
Guys, I cannot calculate the head of animal that we use.
You cannot calculate, but you know the head of animal.
Sure.
Okay.
What and what?
What are the head of animal?
Animal we use. We get animal that we call holy in my village. Parrot in my village.
The head. Wait now. This is the head of holy. How much do you buy it?
Head of holy. You see it cheap in that river that we go. More than that, as they are selling it.
Which river?
River Benue.
How much do you buy it?
If I calculate all the head of animal that we buy it no less than 1.something million.
1.something million?
Yes.
Is it true?
That is why I say I cannot say yes or no. Thank God.
Did you give her account number?
Yes.
To do what?
To send money.
Which money?
That we are using to buy things.
For what?
For the work.
For the work?
Yes.
How much has she sent to your account so far?
I don't know unless I go and bring a statement of account.
You don't know unless you go bring your statement of account?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So far, you heard when she said 22 million something or 1 million something that you have collected. Is it true?
That is why I say I cannot say yes or no. Thank God she's doing it through phone or through bank. When I go to bank, I do statement of account and her name will be appear.
Good. If it is true,
I'm not denying that. I'm not denying that.
Okay.
I just say I cannot conclude yet until I bring my own statement of account. Her own name will be there and we will calculate everything.
Hello? Madam. I want to put it to you that what you do is 419. Obtaining money by false pretense with the pretense of praying for people and doing some spiritual assignments, which is not true. What do you have to say about that?
I have evidence of the work in my phone.
Hello, ma. Hello, ma. I put it to you that you fraudulently obtained this money and stole this money. You hypnotized this woman to get those money. I'm standing in the gap position of law to let you know this. What do you have to say about it?
What I have to say about it, because I'm not the one who go and call her in her house. But I'm not dragging that.
Okay.
What I want to say is that I will go to my bank tomorrow.
That one day I'm going with you.
So I will go and print the statement of accounts and we will calculate it. After calculating it, I will know how I will use to replace the money. But even those things that we buy on the credits, I can use anything I like on my own to follow it up.
Okay. You are going to replace the money. Wait now, if you confirm that the money is in your account, you will find a way to replace the money.
I will be paying the money small, but the remaining money or the work that I do, both the one that I collected in people's hand and do the work, which the credit is on my head, I will pay the money. But anything that I like, I will use it and follow the money.
Okay. Is it true that you are threatening her? Because from what you are saying now, you are threatening, is a threat kind of word.
I have never threatened her one day after she's here.
You are threatening her, threatening the family and all that. Okay.
No.
That you borrowed money. Okay.
I did not borrow money. I said we collected items. What are the items you collected? I cannot measure name of item. What I mean,
hello.
I cannot measure. I don't know the some head of animal that.
What are the names of the animals I bought?
This thing is not today, it's not yesterday.
What are the names of the animals that you bought, which is to do work for this?
Oh Jesus!
I cannot name the name of animal.
Okay.
You know the one that make use of the animal.